Alright guys, I got a 2020 Toyota Camry here, 2018, 19, 20, 21. If you have the key fob battery, low warning in the dash, and you need to replace the battery, you're watching the correct video. So here we are, we're gonna replace the battery on this key fob right here. So to begin with, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up. Once you open up this up, you're gonna see a battery inside, so you do need to get a battery. I believe, hopefully I am correct, this is the battery, the number we're gonna use, CR2032. So pretty much what you're gonna do is, you see this little switch right here, you're gonna pop this up, you're gonna push on this switch downward, and this key is gonna come out just like that. Then you could use this key to pry open this housing itself. So all I did was put this in there and I twisted it, and the whole thing opens up just like so. There you go, magic 2032. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out this key, I'm gonna pop out this battery. Very simple. So all you do is you use a flathead screwdriver or a blade like I have here. So simply you push back on these tabs and the battery will come out. Just be careful with the housing here, you don't want to damage the circuit board. They're tough, but it's gonna come out. It's gotta come out. These little retainers are holding it. There you go, one side is out. Let me get the other side. So pretty much this little guy and this little guy is blocking the whole thing, but it will come out. You're just gonna have to play around with it. There you go, the battery comes right up and you pull it to one side. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this casing and I'm gonna take this battery out of there and pop it out of the housing. And once you have it out, you're gonna take this new battery, you're gonna stick it in here just like so, and you're gonna click it back on, and then you're gonna take your housing, make sure everything sits nicely in there because water cannot get into it, and you click this back, bada bing, bada boom, you have a working key. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, be sure and like. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to send me a message. Alright, so that was a simple little 5-minute video, and we have new battery in this key.